Hello adventurers, my name is Diogo Guerra, this is Off-Road-Off-Course, and today we have a quick tip video. The scenario, it's simple. You are riding down the woods thinking you are Graham Jarvis and suddenly you mess up and you crash. You get up and apparently nothing serious happened, except that now it feels like your handlebar is pointing one way and the wheel is pointing another, and you find yourself riding like this. You stop to check out the bike and you realize that your front fender and your wheel are misaligned, and this means that your steering is twisted. This seems like a very serious problem, but gladly there is actually a very simple solution. Before I teach you though, let me invite you to go to my website and to check out my tours and my training programs. There is a very special one I'm hosting in November together with my fellow content creator Johannes from Johannes Motorcycle Adventures channel. It's a 5-day tour. He's inviting his subscribers, I'm inviting mine, I'm inviting you. Check the website, send me an email, it would be a pleasure to have you there. But now, on with the solution. The first step is to loosen all the bolts that are connecting your forks to the triple clamps. So you have 2 on this side, 2 on the other side, 2 more on top and another 2 more on that side. So a total of 8 usually. The heads are either 12 millimeters or 10 millimeters. They are not supposed to be too tight to begin with, and when you loosen them up, you don't need to remove the screw, the bolt. You just need like half a turn, should be enough on each of them, just to get the forks loose on the tables, the triple clamps. Once the forks are loose, just move the bike by hand to a place where you can lean the wheel against maybe a tree or a rock or something like this, and just move the handlebar in the right direction to the right position. You will feel it move, so you know when it worked. When you are satisfied with the alignment and the motorcycle feels correct again, just come here and tighten all the 8 bolts again. Remember that they should not be too tight. I am not sure about the torque, each bike has a different torque, but you know, in the field we usually don't have the right tools, so just don't tighten them too much. They are supposed to be able to move if they have to, and that's it. I hope that you guys learned something today on this very quick video, and if so, please don't forget to like, to subscribe, to hit the thingy and to share. See you next week and happy rides!